The Blackbird Elements are here today to join us.
What's up? My name is David, aka D, aka DEI.
My name is Jayster. I'm from Innovative Vision.
My name is Money Lee, the Common Civilians. Holla at your boy.
My name is Valjean. I'm a solo artist, man.
I am Teo from the Common Civilians.
Who allure misdemeanor.
The mission of the Blackbird Elements project. It's a fresh movement to bring visibility and elevate Hmong MCs that strive to make an impact through hip-hop music, with words that move, inspire, connect, and save elements of Hmong heritage, history, and honor hip-hop culture.
If I desired a star, he would even go that far and not consider me demanding. So gentle.
Get it like this. I be telling them, telling them, you don't need no money to be rich. I be coming home, thinking about the food on the table, top. He been working all night, working all night, still trying to get his money right. She been getting up early, getting up early since 5 o'clock. Time was money, so baby I won't stop. Just let her rock, just let her rock, just let her rock.
Now look at me, I'm a blackbird chick. You wonder how I do it, better stop that trip. My family told me I was never gonna accomplish. Bitches on the side trying to break down my promise. Let me tell you, you better go back and fix it. You shit and over and over, cause you know I'm real, but you real gets it, cause I am a prodigy. I am what you are, and I won't take your
Apology. Keep it simple, I was never nice. I don't care, cause I ain't gonna stop. Don't make it hard, this is who I am. Triple G said it loud and clear with my vocals. Drum through your ears, back off. My mind will pull the trigger, so keep it simple and stay your distance. Cause you're not at my level.
We are blackbirds, the rebels. Music is a vision where every soul could be risen. The dead could be living if hip-hop was dimension. My heart beats in the system cause I breathe in the rhythm. Listen and feel the vibe. Let them instill through your mind cause hip-hop is mentality. Blackbird is an element that flows through gravity.
Let's do this. It's David. I'ma tell you how it is. A rap artist coming from Project 66. A rock horse, style for spit with a devil's lips. Motivate, tone my art to get in shape. Eat it up, throw it back out, getting fit. Slow on the show, flow it back, don't forget. Hear a beat, now it's wild, my blood is flowing quick. Energetic interpreter is here to ever hit. I work for the devil, he's heavy on a pick. I'm packing my things for hip hop, I'm ready for a trip.
Back from the trip, so if I'm late, guess I missed the car. But past the R, she never stood afar. Better yet, she enlarged the mirage, the cars. Jaws to drop, many flocks to the cars. Maybe because she's the lady for all. Yes, y'all, my needle and straw in the seed to my soul. So I see to it that she is above.
It's a new day, I got music on my words. Where's the way when the flow's on the burn? What is the real reason when I'm blowing up the flower? What is the real meaning when I don't want $1? I got a word for a minute, cause I'm taking it in. Hip hop's the thing, here drops the ring. My blood's the flow, got ass on my money. The government's initials, flow with my pistols. A nation full of rituals. I'm a hip hop individual and y'all ain't gonna take from me. Cause music just loving me. Just loving me.
My lyrics is a Bible, change it like audible, so create a better offense and defense. Pay attention, no distraction. 1 in 10, I'll combat like 6 cents. Dead or alive, you're under my trance. So wouldn't make a difference. Pass a tone of ball around a circle to tell a story. The wish for memory, you put it in the Asian category. Cause hip hop made me do it. Hip hop.
Blackbird Elements, music that's relevant. Telling this for the benefit of those next lyricists with the heart manifested to start. Tear apart beats to feed nests on a poetry. Spit techniques with a twist from MCs. With every generation keep it fresh and free. Believe and trust, breathe for us to look up. Was the word that the bust a verse or leave it to dust. Sands of time will tell if these rhymes are giving up. Got wingspans of words to inspire and speak. Blackbirds fly with bulletproof beaks. BBE.
Get it get it like this. I be telling them, telling them, you don't need no money to be rich. I be coming home, coming home, thinking about the food on the table, top. He been working all night, working all night, still trying to get his money right. She been getting up early, getting up early since 5 o'clock. Time was money, so baby I won't stop. Just let her rock, just let her rock, just let her rock.
Blackbirds are the underground movement of people that were giving food and supplies and videotaping among people in the jungles of Laos. Elements refers to like the elements of hip hop, recognizing the history of where it came up as a movement and as something that uplifted a community. For us, we empower hip hop and it gives us a voice